everybody. I'd like to introduce myself. I am Major Ahmed, retired 30 years in the Royal Malaysian Army, Royal Malay Regiment, right? Well, I don't want to talk too much about myself. We have here the secretary of our surau, Tuan Ustaz Anwar. Okay, we have here the security committee, Cik Amir, Cik Harold, and Cik Hu, right? Teacher. Okay. What exactly is our aim in having this meeting, right? Yeah. I am being selected or nominated as the representative of this committee, right? Flora Damansara. Okay. What triggered this meeting? I think it's because on the 2nd of December, right? Last Sunday, about 8:30 p.m., there was an untoward incident whereby a Malay lady with a child, right? Hapless Malay lady, was waylaid by 3 African guys, right? Between Long Beach and Lima at a bridge over the bridge. She was wailing, the child was seized from her, and she was pressed against the wall with one guy trying to molest her, right? Trying to molest her. And luckily, I think because of some resident or a car passing by, and she was shouting for that, right? The 3 assailants managed to escape. Okay, we had a meeting there that night. And we have given 3 of your community leaders, yeah, your vice president, whatever, Morgan, Emmanuel, and Hachinko. 3 guys. Where are they? Right, one of you is here. You are Hachinko, right? Where is Morgan? Right. We are committed to let you know, or to give you the task of finding this victim, right? Because I think they have broken the law, right? Very serious crime, actually. We do not want to do anything, right? But we have Malaysia is a lawful country, right? We have the police there, right? We want to hand them over to the police so that they can be judged or prosecuted for the offense they have done, right? It has created or instilled fear, especially for the ladies coming back at night, right? We know the African community here, I think it has grown in numbers, right? Actually, there are some people say, you are welcome, yes. Some people welcome for money, yes. But some residents say, no, we do not like Africans. What I've been told by the community leader is that before you came to Malaysia, you were being given briefing about Malaysian culture, right? Malaysian culture, Malaysian peaceful country, Malaysian people are very nice and friendly. Yes, we are very nice and friendly. Definitely, we welcome foreigners, strangers to our country. Yes, welcome. But only. Behave yourself. Right? Behave yourself. This community has become a prostitution den. You know? Prostitution den. There are a lot of prostitution. Yeah. Which I think is against the norm. Poison any culture. Any religion. Not only Muslim. Prostitution in KL. There are red light districts in Bangsa, in Chowkit, in Bukit Bintang. Yeah, there are prostitution areas there. Go ahead. But don't bring prostitution into our community. With my own eyes, several months ago, I've got people, some of you, smoking in the corridor, right? Begging for private while smoking, My wife and my kid was looking, they were surprised. So this is not Malaysian culture. So this is what we are concerned. This figure is coming, right? Okay. For your information, I repeat, Malaysia is a peaceful country. We are very helpful. We have our strong, very competent police force. We have that. But sometimes we are very busy, right? We have other things to look after, right? Sometimes we overlook certain things about our security of this community. So the people that come together, we need to look after ourselves, right? I would like to quote you some of the Malay proverbs. Do not disturb a sleeping tiger. You understand? Do not disturb the hornet's nest. You get hurt. That's the condition now, right? There's saying in English, leave it and let it. Right? You need to say, you need to be careful. When you come to Malaysia, don't bring your culture here. Try to adopt the Malaysian culture, respect that. Some of the ladies dress up. I mean, if you want to dress up like that, go to the right district area. But not in our family area. Right? But nobody has voiced his concern because maybe it's not appropriate or nobody wants to come. I've been trying to speak too long. Right? At least you understand our culture. You say you have read our SOP's culture or Malaysian, but when you come here, you do not adopt it. You do not follow. Right? You do not respect us. So how do we respect you? Right? God has created human beings of all races. Right? Of all races, of all colors, whatever. That's God. That's Allah. But the point is, we need to respect each other. Only then we respect you. Right? Okay, some of you, as I said, we are concerned about this topic. The grouping together, right? A lot of ladies complain when you come back at night. Right? They saw African man, standing along the corridor at level 2, level 1. What for? It's not our culture. You are here. You are student. You are student. You are student. You study? Yes, welcome. You can study. Why not? You take your master. What are you studying? Sorry? Computer. You? Sorry? Computer. Anybody in security here? Anybody studying security? Anybody studying computing, management, administration? All computer. What are you doing? Management. Management. Okay, what do you mean by management? Can you define management? What do you understand by management?
There are so many aspects of management. What I am doing is business management. Yes, business management.
Define management.
Management is simply a simple explanation. Management means managing the things around you for a better enjoyment.
Right? When you manage things, right? When you manage things, you must be able to cope out with the situation. Right now, okay. So that's why community here would like to manage the security situation of Flora Damansara. Okay. So we have given you the ultimatum. First, Achingo. We still need 3 guys. Okay. Hand over to Ahmed here, head of security, Carol here. Don't hand over to us. Hand over to them. Let the police handle it. Right? Because those that make wrong must be punished. Right? To set an example. Right? We cannot let them scot free. Right? Yeah. The wrongdoers must be punished. Okay, that's one. I think masih lagi kan ya? Mesti naik. Nanti kok mesti naik. Right. So I repeat again, I do not want to waste your time, but we want to drill the point home here. No prostitution. No prostitution. When I say prostitution, we Thailand or maybe in India, right? Going into a room. What are they doing? They are playing their computer. Are they watching TV? You know what they do? So, I mean, there shouldn't be any positions here. I repeat, okay? Then dress code for ladies. You need to, I know, human rights, you can dress whatever you like. Yes, definitely you can dress whatever you like. But not in our community, with families, right? Sometimes I can see the brothers, people are bouncing, bouncing. I'm sorry, I have to cook. Right? Sometimes brothers, sometimes underwear. I mean, you can do that in your room. You can do that in your home, but not in Flora. Not in the days whereby kids wouldn't be watching. Right? See, that's not right. No group together. In Malaysia, you ask the policeman are there, corporal, can you cope with it? In Malaysia, if you group 5 of you group together, that is already an offense. Public area, public ordinance, right? You need to have license. You need to have permit to assemble in that number, right? Don't group together because you are intimidating. You know intimidating? Intimidation. You want to group together in your room? Yes. No problem because nobody enclosure. We don't stop that. But there is no point for you to look at the people whereby ladies are passing. You bring them, you bring fear. Yeah? Next one. There's a conflict. Right? I think the other thing is you must have valid visa, right? And your passport. For how long do you stay here? 3 years. 3 years. How long have you been here? 3 years. 3 years already. When are you going back or you are staying here? You are requesting for permanent residence. You are going back. African country very nice. A lot of animals there. You see the national level. Very nice, right? So you go back to your country with the knowledge that obtained from Malaysia, right? You bring the nice good culture of Malaysia back, right? You bring the smart, the kindness of Malaysian people to your country. It should be okay, right? Not you bring your culture here. The other thing is, guys, very secret. Yeah. This is some of you say, it's not culture. Yeah, it's your culture, but not Malaysian culture. You go into the lift, you walk families around. You know, they go body order. Body order. And some of you see, Malaysian people take bath 5 times a day. 5 times a day. That is probably 3 times a day. Yeah? We clean ourselves. But some of you, I'm sorry to say, stinks. You know, body odor. Yeah? Sometimes when you have that, the smell is still leaves. Like, you know, the fox. And when the fox passes by, the smell is stay. Something like that. I'm not joking. Among yourself, you might not be smelling, but us, because we are clean people, we smell. So you just imagine ladies coming back there, you faint yourself, right? Few more points. No drinking in public, right? We caught about 2 months ago drinking at the playground. Do not repeat that again. Do not do that. Okay? No drinking at public places at the step of broadcast supply. We have actually discovered a lot of beer bottles, beer cans. Most of Malaysian, I don't know, I might be wrong, but do not drink that. Beautiful, yeah? So no drinking in public. Okay, legal passport, okay. There's a request here. Community Chico, Morgan, Emmanuel must have a list of names. Okay? Your resident, right? African residents. Then that list of names must be given to the ancestor, right? Or the right? So that we can sort of keep track, right? Keep track. Not only on incident, maybe on health and safety, right? For safety and for the later on, the other, right? So that this must be kept by the community. And then you must be contactable, very good, right? The community must be contactable. Because if anything happens, we will tell you, we will talk to you. Maybe nothing, right? I think we can play this out, right? And then maybe pass it to people, right? We can do that. Okay, from the security point of view, they want me to start out loitering and grouping in parking areas, parking lots, and drinking. Okay, that must be that's alcohol. You drink your own. Okay, we don't restrict you from drinking. That's your own issue. If you cannot drink, don't drink. If you think that only one can you get drunk, don't do it. Don't do it. If you can stand in your gym, stand in your room, but not in the public area. Because you will get yourself into trouble. Right? Only one guy will score other people. Correct enough. Okay? Okay, man? Okay, yes.
Let him finish first. Let him finish, I will speak.
Okay. Okay then? I repeat, just to set the point, any question I think we will take later, right? So I'm again once again representing the community of Flora Damansara, right? We are concerned about the incident. I think this is not the first time at blocking several months back. You know, people showing their tools, taking off their trousers, what do you call it? Flasher, right? Flashing at Malay. That has gone unrecorded. But you know, that incident happened by African guy. Maybe he showed his school, maybe he think his school is too big or too great. Try to seduce a Malaysian woman. Don't do that, right? Maybe some of you have good intention here, coming and learning whatever it is, you get knowledge. But some here taking the opportunity because they are good people, never mind, but they are concerned. No, we are concerned. Yeah? Just because we keep quiet, that does not mean that we are not concerned. We are concerned. But we don't have the opportunity to talk like this. So I hope with whatever I've spoken to you, take note of that, right? And well, we give you some maybe a duration, a period, maybe 1 or 2 months. If you do not behave, there are a lot of people representing to ensure that you are out of Flora. We can do that actually. We can do that. This is our country. This is our nation. We can do it. But as I said, we are nice people. We are tolerant. We can tolerate certain things. Right? So please behave yourself. Or I shouldn't say please. Behave yourself. Okay? With that, I end my speech. Thank you very much. Okay,
park, playground, do not discard litter or beer bottles all over the place. Sepatutnya tiada minuman alkohol di mana-mana tempat awam, di tempat luar-luar. Kalau nak minum, minum dalam tempat saja lah. Okay? Jangan buang botol atau tin kosong di tempat. Satu, tinggi. Dua, tin kosong, botol yang pecah tu, kalau pijak, tin pula. Okay? Number two, put an end to all prostitution or related activities. Hentikan semua aktiviti pelacuran dengan serta merta. Now, are you all Christians? Our fellow Christians. What does Paul say in the book of Romans? Can we unite our bodies without prostitute? No. But we sin in our bodies, correct? Okay? It's in the Bible, everything. Okay? We should not be a bad testimony to everyone else. Number three, women should dress modestly and not expose themselves. Kaum wanita tidak sepatutnya menunjuk atau memakai pakaian yang menunjuk untuk menghormati saya. Okay, they should not dress to go and flaunt their presence, so to speak. Okay, again, biblical. Dress modestly, all is Corinthians. Number four, a list of foreign residents. It should be updated monthly, should be submitted to the GMC. This is for the benefit of both parties. GMC is better informed and no outsiders can come and jeopardize the harmony of Flora Damansara. Please, if some other outsiders come in, if you all bad thing is trouble for you all as well. Okay? Do not ogle or disturb any of the local women with respect to person's activities. The African community must ensure that all residents here are legal with passport. Again, because illegals may cause trouble for you all as well. The African community should set up its own community policing. So for example, anything goes wrong, you look for your representatives on that. You should liaise with the security department here, which okay. So anything issue, we can come to you all because the whole security policing. Okay. Now, number 8, all known criminal activities must be brought to the attention of the KMC and security. Okay. Because why? Crime is a problem. Okay. So bagi yang masuk Malaysia semua okay, so this I will send a copy of this to you all. Okay, this is version 1 and anything related to this. I go ahead and okay.
Okay. Good evening. Okay, I want to Mr. Pari, the General Manager of Security.
Good afternoon. Okay, we are just been engaged by the Flora management, new security company. We have been here for 1 month. I have been taking care of so many apartments and condos. We have all these type of problems. Okay, the only 5 things that I'm going to tell you. One, they have already told you cannot consume alcohol in the public and everything. But before that, my team, I'm every day I'm here with my officers and everything. We ensure that you won't tell your brothers they are not supposed to drink anywhere. If I see them drinking anywhere, we will remove them immediately or we will call the police. One. Secondly, we are going to give this form. Okay? You pass to your brothers to fill up with the photos and everything. We want you to fill up everything, the passport number, where you are from, which unit you are staying. And basically, this form, we will give it to the police also. Because we want them to know that where are the foreigners that are staying. Any criminal activities, everything. But if you all are not happy, you can find somewhere else, they don't do this. But here, you must fill up this form and give back to us. And later, we are going to issue a pass. The pass is a photograph that you have to bring along with you. Wherever my guard stop you or my officer stop you, you have to show. If you don't show, you don't have pass, you will need it later on. Don't come and tell me that I left the pass in the house, I forgot the pass and everything, we are not going to listen. End of the day, we need you up this form. Someone from your end must be responsible to fill up this form because Daddy Morgan promised that he will come and collect this from 7:30 day before yesterday. But until now he did not turn up, his phone has been off. And we already saw him today at 3 p.m. I personally saw him. He said he will come for a meeting today, but he never turned up. So someone has to be responsible for this. And furthermore, it's up to the management how much they're going to charge you on the pass and the deposit. So when you're leaving, they will refund the money to you. They will refund the money to you. Don't come and tell me that I had an African guy who saw us in the office yesterday, Mr. Jamil. He said it's not right for us to do this. If you think it's not right for us to do this, don't stay here. Go look for somewhere else. Okay? This is a residential area. This is not a hostel. Okay? When you want to stay here, you just comply to the house rule. If you are not happy with the house rule, you just leave. If you don't leave, then I will leave. Be fair, huh? Be fair to everyone. If I go to your country, if you have to follow your house rule or your country rule, I have to follow. Fine? So, is there anything that you are not happy? You all have to bring it tonight itself. You have to tell us what you are not happy about it. But end of the day, we are a security company. We are going to put the enforcement here. Make sure that you follow everything that management is going to bring out. You don't follow, I will take care of it.
Okay, evening ya, I'm from security ya, for the MC. This form, I see only few of you here, right? I will get the leaders, one of you, and then open on this thing. We will go house to house. This form is not only for parents. You won't know for ladies. You can be a man, you can be a Thai, you can be a Philippine, you can be a Bangladeshi, Pakistani, whatever activity you are. All of you are together. Okay, because this is not for me, for our management office. Okay, I want the photo, and I want your valid passport. Okay, time to time when it's expired, please come forward and do it. Okay, this will be your what you call the board to like your pass, authorized pass. You come in, the security will check whenever you are around. Check. Because I personally approach few office Nigerians who are coming here. When I said I'm Muhammad Puri, I want to see my brother. I don't want to see the people. You have your authorized passport. Okay, this form must fill up and give back to me. Okay, and I will try to organize a group. We go house to house every block. From block E, block F, block F. Okay, by end of this month, I want all the names to be. If I pass to you, you better forget. It's okay. No contact. Okay, I will go personally. If you are guys, will go personally house to house. You see my face coming, please open the door. I won't harm you. I just need your particulars. I'm going to give you no room. Okay? I just need your particulars. If you cannot cooperate, I will note down your unit number and I'll get help of cooperating. Okay? Please, you guys, here. Please pass the message to your brothers. Because you got no brothers. I want all of your names here in the photo. Okay? By end of this year. Okay? Understand? My deadline is end of this year. All the 4 blocks. Okay? All the 4 blocks. Right? So anything, you're most welcome. You can go to the management office, you can ask them. What help? You want to for me? I put my number, phone number there. Okay, thank you. Call me. See, Ahmed, I need this thing. Come and see. Okay. Right? Understand, huh? You guys understand, right? Okay? So, thank you a lot.
Sorry, I have to give my number. If you want to fill out the form, you can call us as well. My number, my number is 012-237-5829. 5829. My name is Mr. Pari, B-A-R.
Okay, before we close this session, we would like to open any of the representatives, penduduk setempat. Any points that we fail to raise or I miss? Ada mungkin saya lupa any points? Ada? Saudara-saudara? Okey tak saya dah kenal tu? Ha? Ya, okey. Tak ada. Okey. Yang tak ada kan?
Just share.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Evening.
My name is Kingsley Chidi. I want to use this opportunity on behalf of my chairman of African Students Union, President Flora Damansara, and our members, to thank you so much for this opportunity that you people gave to us to sit with you like brothers, to discuss with you, and for you people to tell us what to do for the peaceful coexistence of everybody living here in Flora. We thank you people so much. I want to tell you that we've been looking for a great opportunity like this for a long time, since last year. I am one of the people who have been coming to the management so many times, demanding to see the management boss, to know what to do so that we can control our people. Yeah, woman management is not really easy. It's quite difficult. But when you set up a means, you can manage them very well. Like I said, this paper I'm holding here, permit me to read it out to you people. We wrote this letter, this notice, 3 months ago, which we pasted, we went to the management. We seek for the consent of the management to paste it all around because of our brothers living here. African Students Union, Flora Damansara, Selangor, Malaysia. Notice. Warning. This is to notify, warn all the Africans, both males and females, that from this day henceforth, sitting, standing, waiting, hanging, loitering around the lobbies, passages, and business premises in front of the various blocks, condos are highly prohibited by management order. Any attempt to violate this order will land you at the police net, thereby charging you for causing nuisance and unnecessary obstruction to the residents of the above mentioned blocks. Signed, Disciplinary Committee Secretary, that's me. This is an evidence to tell you that we did not just start this evening today. But sometimes we cannot take laws into our hands. We must follow the due process before a strong organization like this will be formed. Last time we went to the management, we met the ladies there working there. They gave me an appointment with Auntie, both me and our vice chairman. We went there, they gave us appointment to come the next week to meet the management boss. We went, they said the management boss is not yet around, that we should come back again. So because of our studies, we were unable to go back the second time. I want to react from the first complaint and the demand that our elder just told us about what happened on the 2nd December. Yes, I was aware that something like that happened, though I wasn't in Flora here. But immediately I got the information. I called some of our members, asked them, they said, yes, it's true. They sent me some videos and some pictures. Mr. David will bear me witness that from time to time, I meet him, ask him, how can we get this settled? Because it's not really all the African people here that are troublesome. So many of us are good. I am from a royal family, for instance. I am married with a kid. I don't cause nuisance very high. Malaysia is not the first country I've been to. By the grace of God, I've been to London, I've been to US. But Malaysia is comfortable, most comfortable for me because of the security. Even to some of my brothers here, they said Malaysia is good because of the security system in Malaysia. But some of our brothers come to spoil it for us. We are not really happy. Another thing I want to say is about we are planning to have a task force. But we say it's better we meet the management and the union, local union here, to give us go ahead of them. Last month, we got a problem where some Africans were like fighting and other problems. I myself, this person, many of us here, we woke up and started fighting with them, flogging them, which the security intervened. Even the security couldn't even understand what was really happening. We told them that all these girls, some of them are not living here in Flora. Some of them are coming from Kuchong, from far away places, but they come to hang around, thereby causing problems to some of us that are living here. And tomorrow people will say, it's those people that are living here, Africans that are living in Flora. It's not really Africans that are living in Flora. Sometimes people come outside to cause nuisance and go.
That's the reason why now the management wants the lease, right? So that we can control that region. Okay, that we understand.
Good. Then about the one reform, like this is Christmas period. So many of us have traveled, and more are still yet to travel. I will make a request that if people could give us from January, when people must have been back, because it's quite difficult for us, in particular, to know where everybody is living. I would suggest, if we could go through the house owners, I think it will be more better to get the names of, because if you are a house owner, you know your tenant. Whenever you want your tenant to come and fill this form, your tenant must call. But if you decide to share it generally publicly, I'm telling you, many people will not come around. This meeting here today, many of us were supposed to come. But some of us are really afraid of the locals. Some of us are really afraid. We just summon courage that we want everything to get settled this night. Whatever it is, let us hear from the people. And people will hear from us. That is why some of us are here. Even there are some who got into this place. When they see the crowd, they started moving out. But we say we must be here. Whatever it is, we must know about it. Please, because of that, I want to urge you people not to prosecute everybody because of one particular person. But we are promising you that whatever that happens here in Flora, give us little time, let us organize ourselves, have our task force to fish out those bad eggs in our midst. In every country, there are bad people. Even in Malaysia, there are still bad people. You can't tell me that all Malaysian people are good. There are some who are bad. There are some who are good. But we can't say because these people are bad, because of that all Malaysians are bad. No. If Malaysians are bad, we won't be here. So,
you know about that. I think you don't need to lecture about that.
Okay, sir.
Focus on the point.
All right, sir. So the next one is all this indecent dressing. We have approached it before. We are still promising you people that come next year, from January next year, when our brothers come back, By then they must have come back. We will start up everything, get the list of our registered members, their names are submitted to the management and to the security, so that people will know our registered members first. Then those that are not registered, because many of us don't want to register in this union, then you people can follow it up through the house owners and get their names and their documents. So this is the little I have to say for now. And I will also urge you to give us time. Whenever we have any issue, we'll come to you people, report to you people, you give us solution on how to handle such cases. Because we know that, like all those ladies hanging around, if I go to chase them out, they might fight me. And when I start fighting with them, you know, beating a woman is an offense. Police might be passing along the way and say, why are you beating this girl? What did she do to you? You don't have any evidence. Then about those, I don't know the particular people who did that problem on the second. I don't know if there is anything like a video or picture that will help us to fish them out. Once we can see anything, where we can see any of their faces, wherever they go, as soon as they are here in Malaysia, this union will look for them and get them for the people. Thank you so much. This is all I have to say.
Okay, very good point. Right, I think you understand the requirement here. I think we should move on from here, right? But as I said, we have given you an ultimatum. The three guys must be Achinko, okay, report to Mr. Ahmed or the management on the progress of your search. And the other thing is, whatever the rules that we have set out, abide to it, right? Follow strictly as what we require. Okay?
Okay, answering to your question, regarding register the foreigners, especially Nigerians and other races, we will go ahead. We will continue our job. We will go house to house. You have to go and see the security if you miss anything. Your task you do. You want to start on 1st January. Onward you start, no problem, you can start. But once you complete your list, you come and hand over to the management. Right? For our assignment, our job, we will continue until the end of this month. We will continue. We will go house to house. We will make sure every one of your register. Follow register, no problem. We just take a snap, we take a unit number, and then we follow up. We know what to do. Because those people who don't want to cooperate, better for them to look for another thing. That's very simple question and answer. Because we want people who can cooperate. When you cooperate, everybody stay happy and friendly. If you cannot cooperate, you go. You can be anybody. You can be a lady, you can be a guy, any nation. Right? That's what thing, right? What you call regarding the 2nd December incident, right? We'll come back to you. We get information, we'll come back to you all. If any description of the 3 guys we have, we'll come back to you all, we'll pass to you all. Right? Sure. That's all from me. How about you, Peter? Peter, is it? You got anything to say? So, what do you want to say? You got anything to say? Anything to share?
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Victor, and I want to use this opportunity to apologize for the incident that happened last night. Because of that, I was humiliated. And when I say I was humiliated, the way I was treated that night. You know, after that incident, I almost cried. I said, why such a thing happens to me? Something that I don't know about, something that I don't even think that I can even commit. So, along the line, I found out that there are some people here who are causing much problem for us, which we ourselves have been trying for a very long time to tackle this issue, but there has not been any peace given to us. We have made attempts, most of us, for like 6 months, we have been trying our best to make so many attempts, but the opportunity has not been given to us. But in this incident, and I believe that with this opportunity that we can move ahead. So what I want to say is, you people have to give us time to arrange ourselves, because we have started working since yesterday. Since yesterday we have started. If you watch, nobody is sitting around here. Like yesterday, we went around 6 o'clock. We patrol around here from that block, from 999, patrol around to the block here. Just to put away by ourselves. It's not that we're supposed to go to, we bring back our time and just try to address this issue. Telling people don't hang around, don't do anything. If you go there, they will know that there's some people here. We agree that people who are not aware, we agree that. So what I'm trying to say is that, please, do try to give us time to arrange ourselves. We are working on that because we have started that since yesterday. We agreed that we have started doing something since yesterday. So just give us time, and sincerely we are sorry for what happened, because we don't even know who committed this act. But please don't judge us, I think judge us in general.
We got your point, right? Thank you very much. I think we should. Yeah. Okay, I think we should conclude there. We would like to thank you all, especially the residents who have voiced out their concern. So what we do now is, we have given you time, right? Organize yourself, right? Organize yourself. And if you feel that this is recurring, right? The incident does not improve, right? Those residents who are still trying to opt our option, the next option is to remove all of you out of Flora. That is all. Don't let that thing happen. Okay? We can do it. People's power. People's power. Right? Nothing can stop us if we want to do it. Right? But as I said, nation is nice people, or nation are nice people. Right? We welcome everybody as long as we behave in our country. Right? Don't stir the hornet's nest. Let the sleeping tiger sleep. Thank you very much.
Selesai lah. Dah masuk kan? Saya melakukan dari kejadian dan selesai lah tugas. Malam ni ke mana? Nak juga masuk. Serius? Serius? Kau nampak baik kau? Level sikit. Dah. Bila tadi? Kita 3 kepala. 3 kepala dapat bisa 3 kepala. Saya emas. Kau tak boleh bang.